Good day, everyone. Good day, Zimbabwe, Africa, all over the world. So we have this kind of urgent jobs. Usually, I'm taking a rest on a Sunday, but the owner of this laptop is coming from a rural area. So he phoned me. He want to go back. So we have only 30 minutes to fix this. If I can't fix this in 30 minutes, I'll call the owner. So what is this? We have this kind of laptop. Let me see. This is HP Compaq NC 6320 model. This is some kind of old laptop. If I am to look on year release, when this laptop was released, 1 second. When this laptop was released, just for the sake of interest, HP, okay, June 2006. So we are talking of 18 years ago. Yeah, that is what we are still using in Zimbabwe. So that is the reason why in most cases I'm saying if you want to get rich, probably you can't do it in this country because we are still 10-15 years behind technology. And trust me, many clients, they are still using this kind of laptops. So the laptop came in as no display. This is coming from a rural customer, but he took it from another repair shop. They tried to change some RAM. The laptop has no display. So what is the common fault on old laptops? What is the common fault? Because on 2006 things were proper made. So I don't think we have something like a faulty screen or missing power rails and the likes. But we need to see what this laptop is doing exactly. We have to see what this laptop is doing exactly. The power supply is set on 19.43 volts. How many amps? Around the 3.2 amps. 3.2 amps. You can see here 3.2 amps. So let's try to power on this laptop. It's taking 80 milliamps, 600, 900. The laptop just come on by itself. You can see 700 milliamps. The LED here, check the LED here. All the LEDs are on, but on the screen we have nothing. So that is the problem with this laptop. I don't have much time with this laptop. Let's take out the battery. Let's go straight on the common fault on old laptop. When the laptop is coming on but no display. What do you think is the problem? When you have a laptop which is coming on but no display, I would say 100%. Let's start on the graphic chip. Let's see. What do you have on this side? On this side, we don't have the RAM. But I believe these are some kind of motherboard with one RAM outside and the other one will be under the keyboard. Those are the models, if I do remember correctly. It's not first time to deal with such kind of old stuff. I'm dealing with such kind of laptops almost on a daily basis. That's the keyboard. Here we do have the keyboard and We have the keyboard, we have the fan, we do have the GPU here, which is also under heatsink. So from inside we have this RAM. You can see this DDR2 1 gig RAM. We want to go straight on the GPU because from that point we can conclude why this laptop is no display. Check the heatsink. It's very dust. No proper cooling system. So even on the processor, there's no thermal paste here. So now you see why this laptop has no display. No thermal paste. Here we have some air vents just to take the heat outside the processor through the heatsink pipe was blocked with a lot of dust. So it's very possible that the GPU just died. That the GPU here usually we are charging very small amount on this kind of job. So whatever we are to do here should be very fast. Now we need soldering paste. I like this kind of soldering paste. It's like Vaseline. It's like a glue. So water full air straight on the graphic chip. And avoid the middle part. We are coming with the heat full air 480 full air on the edges of the chip. That should be enough. So we need the thermal paste here. Thermal paste on top of the processor. On the GPU. We need this heatsink for the GPU. So let's put all together and test. Let's see now. I'll put back the keyboard in place. Let's see if I was right or not. because I know common fault on old laptop is the GPU. Plug in the charger, is taking 80, 900 milliamps, and we have picture. It's working. You can see the HP log. Select the boot device. There's no hard drive here. I'm 100% sure the owner took out the hard drive for some reasons, but it's working. So that was a faulty graphic chip. So if you have such kind of old laptops, it's coming on no display, your first suspect is the GPU. Just reflow the GPU, the laptop probably it will come back to life, or it will not come back to life. And here, what we have done, this is not the cure for this fault. This is just a treatment. Either the laptop will work 3 days, work 3 weeks, 3 months, 3 years, depending on the stages, on the stage at which the GPU is about to die. So you have to explain again to the customer, you know, we have fixed your laptop, but here there's no guarantee for such kind of jobs because there's no permanent treatment here. We are just giving you an allowance to retrieve and back up your data. Otherwise, you can't do anything when the GP is fault. So like, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. Probably see you on the next one. Bye.